Have you noticed that after rain, some cars are covered with water beads, while others only show streaks of water? That's actually the difference between hydrophobic and hydrophilic coatings. Hydrophobic coatings work similar to lotus leaves. On lotus leaves, the water contact angle is about 150 degrees, so droplets roll off easily. But on PPF, the angle is usually only around 100 degrees. That means droplets don't slide off immediately. They stay on the surface. Over time, minerals in the droplets may seep into the coating, leaving water spots and stains. Hydrophilic coatings, on the other hand, behave differently. Instead of forming droplets, water spreads into a film that flows down under gravity. This leaves visible streaks on the car, making it look less glossy. But the advantage is that these stains are dispersed. If wiped in time, they won't penetrate the coating or leave permanent marks. To sum up, hydrophobic strong gloss and water, beading effect, but requires frequent cleaning to avoid spots. Hydrophilic sundy more streaks and less shine, but easier to maintain and no deep marks if cleaned promptly. So if it were up to you, would you prefer the water, beading look, or the sheeting water? Film effect. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Your support helps us keep bringing more real, world tests and insights.